All right, man. Nobody loves opening stuff more than me. More stuff from one of my favorite vendors, new favorite vendors with light stuff, Darkwing Technologies. I knew he was sending me something. He always sending me goodies. Dan's a great dude. Family business. I love supporting family businesses. Y'all know me. All right, we got some more. I'm going to start this slide to stuff like this in people's orders, I think. Little Darkwing sticker. All right. I think I know what this is. He sent me one because he doesn't have that many. A bunch are coming in. This is called the UFO. I'm almost sure of it. What's this? Man, this guy's always outdoing himself. I'm gonna say this goes over the top of a cone or magnet to a vehicle. Super cool. Awesome. All right, this, I know what this is. I'm almost 100% sure. It's like Christmas time and, wait, my birthday's tomorrow. What? So, yeah. All right, so 2 chargers, all right. We got wall mount, the cigarette lighter, because I'm old. Just put that back in there so we don't lose them. I can't wait. All right. Watch this. We have road flares. These things are fantastic. Look at that. That's not much to stick to, but
Plinko.
oh, I don't know much about these yet. I got to read some instructions. But let's see here. Oh, look at one button, change them all. These things are freaking awesome. One button, they're all synced together. All right, I want everybody's opinion on these things. Look at that one's crawling to the bottom. It comes in a case. It comes with 2 different chargers. When you put them in the case, they stop blinking. They shut off automatically. This is super cool, man. They got magnets on the back. They sync together. As you pop them back in here, they automatically shut off. There's 6 in a box, or on the box, not even in it. This is super cool. I don't know what to do with myself. Now I can't wait to ride with somebody here locally. Just gonna see how these things work. I gotta get in the truck with somebody. There's where your chargers go. Bam! 6 synced our electronic LED road flares. Darkwing, you've outdone yourself, Dan. Thank you so much. We'll figure out how to use them, and then we'll do a little display inside the warehouse. Thank you so much. Slow down, move over. You'll save a life, and it's the law.